What is silent acting called? Mime. Which of the following is a thin, flat, round cake, fried on both sides? Pancake. Which Olympic discipline is in the picture? Volleyball. What fear do people with haphophobia have? Fear of touch. The logo of which service is in the picture? YouTube. Which animal is in the picture? Dolphin. Which food product is in the picture? Marshmallow. Which of these is the shaking of the Earth's surface? Earthquake. What is the name of a story for children involving magical events and imaginary creatures? Fairy tale. Which fruit is in the picture? Banana. Everest. What is it? Mountain. Which is natural food for horses? Grass. What type of currency does Japan use? Yen. What does the Coca-Cola Company produce? Drinks. What game is this? Golf. What is scientific study of crimes and criminals? Criminology.